So here's the brake caliper mount fittings. I'm going to weld them to the sleeves, and then the sleeves will slide over the axles, and nothing will get welded into place until I position it on the gear legs, which I've yet to even start construction on. Okay, so I'm going to try to get one tack on each side of these brake mount sleeves that I'm making, and what's going to happen is I'll check to make sure that they're square, after I get the tacks made, and then I'll finish weld everything off. So there's one. I'll spin the part around and tack the other side, and then we'll start welding. So I machined a slight bevel in here, and I'm going to just fill for an inch and then stop. Fill for an inch and then stop. So without a positioner, I have to keep stopping this thing. If I had a welding rotisserie or a positioner, I could weld it all up at once, but I have to keep stopping and positioning it. So here I go, I'll finish it up. So here's the welded up bushing. I'm going to seat it into the brake mount. I'll clamp it and drill that mount plate, match drill it. It's funny, I have a friend that names all of the parts for what they look like. So I'm calling this one the baseball diamond plate. They're match drilled now on both of the baseball diamond plates to fit the brake mount on these castings for the brakes. So the only thing left to do is to insert the axles and fit the length from the end of the axle to the bearing shoulder. Now this one's radiused. It looks like the turning tool had a round nose on it. So I may just choose to weld the back side of it. It's not going to ever go anywhere on the back side, because once this is together, the back side gets another gear leg welded to it in this direction. So one in this direction and one in this direction. So it can't, it's captive from the back side, and the front side's captive by the threads. So I'll measure it and weld it up. Well, here I am. Got them all welded up. 2 steel axles to replace the 2 aluminum forged axles. The plans say that I need, they're still hot, but the plans say I need 3+ inches here, and I'm a little bit short on this one because I broke the threading tool and cut the part off. I should have left it long. I threaded both ends of these and used the better of the ends. So we'll see. I may end up having to make an entire new one of these, but I think that'll be pretty close to the length I need.